reference person so that everything's kind of like the same size.
That's generally the best way to do it. And then just looking at it and then be like, okay, that's ridiculously too large for this. Fix it.
Yeah, and especially for like doorways and stuff, like it's gonna have like a reference doorway so people don't walk through a bunch of like Dr. Seuss oddly shaped arches and stuff.
Holy crap. Recreate the Dr. Seuss books.
That happens sometimes. Actually, I was telling James, I was saying, if we ever have like self-referential portals, like portals where you walk through and you appear in like a different side of the room, it'd be cool to have it like you can change the scale, so you like walk through a portal and you come out tiny like over here. Like if you've ever played Portal, you can have like the infinite portals where you jump in and you fall forever. But have that, but like it changes your scale as you move through it.
Flight mode activated.
Do you have any like plans for what you're gonna build in SketchUp, or?
I gotta.
It'd be kind of cool if like you had a city, but then there's like a big like museum kind of. You walk up the stairs and then you've got like just rows of art, and, like 3D stereograms and stuff. I've been talking to Q-Street. I think the hotel model of VR sites isn't going to scale well, so it'd be cool to have like a city or something, like where everything's like its own building. I don't know.
I've been working on a coffee shop that I'd like to put in for chat. Now that there's Mumble support, I'm actually pretty hyped for that.
Oh, were you the person who was saying that we're going to make a Starbucks, right?
I have just a generic coffee shop built right now.
That'd be neat. We actually kind of need a place like for socializing because the main room's like cramped and stuff. So
yeah, we'll get it done then.
Would like work as a hub or something. I mean, you could always send it to James and be like, hey, can we use this as like a temporary hub until you do something else, like like a main room.
Yeah, but I'll actually run through today and I'll export what I have with Lisa's stuff and see if it works. And if it does, I'll put a link up to it and can check it out.
All right. And then if you like post it on the Reddit too, it'll show up in the newest part next to the big portal. So. Oh, yeah, no, that's the server. Yeah. They're actually transitioning from, because everything that's happening right now is like, imagine a chat program pasting a bunch of lines of code over and over and over again. That's basically how it's communicating with like the clients and stuff. But Keister's working on like a better method, so it should be out in a few days.
Yeah, because right now aren't all like multiplayer just ghosts of each other that have names?
Yeah.
Automatically updated?
Pretty much. I mean, like I think they're gonna transition to like a socket server or something. So you won't have like these problems where like everyone turns red and shrinks every once in a while. I've gotten used to it because it's been happening for so long. It's actually gotten a lot less bad though, because it used to happen like every few seconds. multiplayer has gone through a lot though in the last like few weeks. Like when I first got to it, there was no name tags and there was no text, and you had to like jump up and down to get people's attention. And like the polling was like really slow, so people would kind of just like blink really fast, like whenever they move around. When James adds like avatar support, it's gonna be pretty cool.
I want this to turn into the
Specify
Oasis.
new location, then press enter to
Getting there.
construct.
Yeah, you too. Can't wait to see what you do with this place. See ya. Yeah, your feet are stuck in the ground.
Visualizing environment.